Well, hello there, YouTube. I'm going to see if this is actually working. I have wireless microphones. I'm going to actually go out and wash my Spyder because, again, Super Clean sent me some stuff, so I'm going to do a giveaway, and I'm going to show you how good this stuff works. Actually, I've bought it myself. I bought a gallon myself and put it in a squirt bottle because this stuff works so good. It cleans off grease, it cleans off brake dust, it just cleans off everything. So I'm going to give it a try. Let's see if this works. Bye. Yep. Well, hello there, YouTube. I'm actually gonna I'm doing a giveaway for Super Clean, but you can see how dirty these rims are up front, and especially in the back. I don't know if I'll be able to show you how dirty these are in the back. These rims. I'm going to turn it upside down, but anyway, you can see how dirty those rims are. I haven't washed this thing in a long time, but let me go get it. I bought Super Clean, and they sent me some info. They sent me some Super Clean stuff, and I even had some. Where is the spray? Here it is. Let me show you. This is what they sent me the last time, and I did a giveaway. And I bought this before they sent me that. I've been using Super Clean forever, so let me get my spray bottle. I'll go ahead and use that. But here's the spray bottle that I actually use with the gallon, which I purchased. I purchased a Super Clean gallon, and this is what they send me, and this is what they'll do a giveaway. If you reply on my YouTube channel like Super Clean or Super Clean Me or whatever, I'll do a drawing like I did last time, and Super Clean will send you this stuff too. So I'm going to get my hose out, and I'm going to start washing. My hose is leaking, but I'll try and get it anyway. Oop. Gotta get my GPS off of here, and my pad. So I'll get the hose. Just get it ready anyway. It leaks. Oop. There we go. So what I'm going to do, I've got the hose ready. What I'm going to do is spray my wheels with Super Clean. I'm going to spray the inside too, because that's where it's really a mess. It's really a mess on the inside. I'm going to have to spin the wheels to get it, but I'm going to have to roll it to get it clean underneath too. But you can, I like this stuff because it sprays better. Then I'll get underneath the back wheel. Let me show you. I'll get underneath the back wheel, which is really a mess. Hard to get everything. I'll have to, oh boy, I can see it's a mess. I'll get the other side too. Let me get the other side. But you'll see the dirt just come off of this thing. Okay. Let's see if I can hose this off. You see how that soapiness comes off. Let me go back to jet. There we go. You get the inside. Oh yeah, see that's clean already. I'll show you what I get. And it wouldn't come off if you just did it with soap and water. Sorry, I'm not wearing my super clean shirt, but I do have one. Oh, look at this! Look at the crap coming off of there. Wow, it's black. Let me show you. Get to the. Look at the black coming off of the back. Look at there. That's dirt and brake dust. I've got to get the camera out of the way so I don't get it all wet, but it's amazing. Oh, it's still coming off. That's just black. Okay, let me show you. Look at the black stuff coming off the back wheel. Now let me show you. Yeah, leak. Let me show you how clean these are already. And the inside, look how clean that is down there. Now I got to roll it so I can get all of the wheels. But look here. Look how clean that is. That comes right off. And the outside. So I have to roll. But look at the black crap that came off that back wheel. So I'm going to take off the emergency brake and roll a little bit and then do it again. This stuff is amazing. I can tell you it's amazing because I buy it. And I wouldn't buy it if it didn't work. So let me put this on and roll it forward. That way I can get the rest of the wheel that I missed. Get the inside. Oh yeah. I think I got a lot of it, believe it or not. Oh, there we go. I should have rolled it a little bit too much. But this stuff is amazing. Now I'm using my bottle because I bought a gallon a while ago. After I did this last year, it worked so good I paid for it. But I'll do the giveaway. Wow, it's still coming off. This stuff is amazing. Even my belt, I got stuck in the mud about a year ago up here. The road ended and it turned into mud. And I had mud on my belt. So that should get that off. Oh yeah. Now I'm only going to clean the wheels because those are the dirtiest. The rest of it I'll clean with soap and water. It's amazing. I'll show you how good this, oh boy, look at that black stuff. Okay, all I did was the wheels. So let me show you this. Look at all that black crap that come off that back wheel on my driveway. But now look, I might have to, it's really hard to do the back, so I'll have to take the GoPro off of here, off the tripod, but a little soak down there still. Look how clean that is. Look how clean those wheels are now. This stuff is truly amazing. I wish I could I might be able to take this off the, take it off the tripod and show you. See if I can do this. I got it. Here we go. Got my wireless mic on here. Let me show you what this back wheel looks like. Look how clean that is. That was filthy. Oh, might need to get a little bit more up there, but I had to roll it too far. But look how clean those wheels are now. You can see them shine. You can see the glare on the other side. This Super Clean is amazing. Like I say, I bought this. I bought the spray bottle, but this is what Super Clean will give away, and it's a degreaser, and it works fantastic. I didn't use it because I already had my stuff, so hopefully that helps. And I'll post this video. Like I say, if you watch my videos, just do reply Super Clean. All you did is reply Super Clean, and I'll do a random giveaway. I think I got some kind of counter I can just kind of randomly pick. That's what I did last time. I hope that helps. Bye.